Hey there foodies, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a classic Japanese dish that's sweet, savory and utterly delicious. Teriyaki Chicken. First let's make the teriyaki sauce. So into a bowl add light soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, some minced garlic, ginger, sesame seeds, some salt. I'm adding some corn flour slurry. Mix everything really well and keep it aside. Heat around 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until browned and cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the teriyaki sauce into it. Bring the mixture to boil, then reduce the heat to medium to low and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce has thickened and completely coats over the chicken. And that's it, our teriyaki chicken is ready. Garnish it with some sesame seeds and chopped green onion. Serve over rice or noodles and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos. See you in our next video.